Walk in the door, waving in the fo-fo. Looking around, I got a package on the floor. Oh shit. Y'all know what time it is.
Oh Lord, there he go again. Fucking with your bitch and your bitch friend. Never had a mission that I ain't finished. Never seen something I wanted, then I get it. Y'all niggas in the store fucking window shopping, while I'm busy with your wifey and I'm bimbo swapping. Smoking ounces of the shit for cheap, and I only fucking sell when I wanna eat. Damn man, I'm full, cut the bull. Eating up you faggot fucking rappers like I'm Hannibal. My bitch eating other bitches, call that hoe a cannibal. Make her fucking come so hard she thought that shit was Danimals. Never seen.
Alright people, so we got a package and everything like that. And as y'all can see, I was in uniform as soon as I came in the door. I'm still in uniform. Room is kind of dirty, so I'm gonna do that right quick and I will be right fucking. Alright, so we back, man. Reason I was laughing is because I'm doing the whole little effect thing or whatever. Matter of fact, y'all might be able to see me better if I bring it in. I don't know, it's looking kind of dark around here. I don't know why, so there we go. I guess that's the best y'all can see me. But I can't hold this thing up forever. But as y'all can see, we got a little package here. And we're gonna get into it. Y'all can see the strap and all that shit. I don't know how to fix this. I might have to go get a light or something, man. Just so y'all can see me better, because the shadows is real around here, apparently. So yeah, I'm gonna set this back up. Oh, there we go. Let me see. I guess it's gonna have to be good enough, and we're gonna get into this unboxing. So you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what this is. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me. New year, new post, new crazy shit. As I'm opening this, like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. You know, the basics. You can probably tell by the box immediately what it is. And no, this is not the general release pair, the orange and white. This my friends, is the limited pair. It's not super limited, but it's definitely not general release. It was a little harder to cop than I thought it would be, but I got it. This is the actual limited pair. One, a lot of people don't talk about this. The box is way thicker. Significantly thicker. I don't know if y'all care, but I do. That's a big thing. Size 12, you know it's your boy size. Something simple. And as everybody, love the new shoe smell. Haven't smelled that in a minute. Of course, it's the Be Like Mike up top. Y'all can see that. Like I said, the shadows are horrendous right now. Really probably gonna go buy a light or something for y'all. Then of course you get the Gatorade towel. I've been seeing people with this. I've been wanting it just because it's a cool little accessory that they throw in there, and I like the whole little campaign. Woo. Motherfuckers is sexy. And we got, matter of fact, we'll get y'all on the light for this. Alright, so we got the Gatorade 6s. 6s is my favorite Jordan ever, hands down. My favorite pair is the Oreo 6s, but this might be a close second. I think it's a crazy idea. I wanted the Mac Miller ones, but they cost like 20 grand, so this is my little close consolation prize. It's just a green and orange upper with a translucent sole. It's not the little like blue tint. I mean, it got a slight blue tint, but it ain't a true blue tint. But yeah, this thing is sexy. If it says in the inside, so y'all can see it. I mean, have to do it from the light. If I could be, you know, it's just little things like that that makes Jordan brand one of my favorite brands. Actually, my favorite brand. I got a lot of Jordans, not too many other things. I mean, Nike's up there, but I mean, like, Jordan brand is Nike. Y'all know what the fuck I mean. I like Nike. If I had to go specific, it'd be Jordan brand. Like I said, we're gonna keep it up here. I keep forgetting, but yeah, man, this is overall a real nice shoe. I like the suede upper. It's not the thick suede, so it don't look like it's gonna get damaged too bad. So that's a good thing. Probably put on some crep protect or something with it. You can smell the new shoe. You can tell like this came from like, I don't know. It smells great. It looks great. One of my favorite shoes. Sorry for having this sideways. Sorry for making this video up in the air. But as y'all can see, the light is better and the editing will be better. So I gotta either get a light or I'm gonna have to keep doing videos like this. I think it's a little original. My arm will get strong as fuck. And yeah, man. So yeah, shout out Jordan Brand. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, but y'all will be seeing more on these. And I'm not gonna do it on foot because I'm not gonna wear them yet. But yeah, Willie Will out.